What is good, everyone? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the main thing that got me profitable, and it's really counterintuitive. I know it's going to sound weird when I say it, but let me explain why, right? So when I started out trading, right, I was obsessed with trading. Obviously, I was, watching YouTube videos, 10 hours a day, just, absolutely binge watching YouTube videos and jumping from strategy to strategy. I was so obsessed with trading, and you probably are as well, right? But when I started caring less, I made more money, and I'll explain why, and the thought process behind it subconsciously and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys take advantage of it and implement it into your own trading. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to speak my thoughts basically, and hope it can help you, right? So I've been trading for almost 5 years now. First 3 years I was unprofitable, and now I can pretty much do whatever I want, whenever I want, wherever I want to in the world, right? I just got home from Croatia. Now we're in Spain, beautiful location, but nonetheless, right? The main thing I want to talk about, right, is caring less. Caring less in trading is going to make you more money, and it sounds counterintuitive because if you put it into perspective of any other business, right, the more hours you put into a business, the more money you'll make, typically, right? Most of the case, right? So the more work, the more hours you put in, the more money. But it's not like that in trading at all, right? More more hours spent on the charts doesn't equal to more money. Less hours on the charts equals to more money. More trades is also not going to make you more money in trading. Less trades is going to make you more money. And there's subconsciously factors to this, right? Because when I started out trading, as I said, I was obsessed with trading, right? I would spend 10 hours a day on the charts, just over trading like crazy. When I started out caring less, I wouldn't spend 10 hours a day on the charts. I would spend 1 hour a day just trading my session, or not my session, but NYSE session with my strategy. So one session, one strategy, and basically one pair, right? And I locked in on that, right? So I started caring less, because when you care less, you're gonna stop over trading. You're gonna stop forcing trades because you don't care, right? You're gonna stop forcing trades, which is absolutely a must in trading. You gotta stop forcing trades. You gotta stop chasing trades. You gotta stop running after trades, because, bro, it's a downward spiral, right? You gotta just care less, think less. I don't know about think less, but care less about it, because if you care less about it, care less about the profits, and you detach yourself from the P&L, you don't care about it. I don't care if I make $5,000 today or lose $2,000 tomorrow. I don't care. I literally just play the games of probabilities. I know long term, if I lose 2K today, lose 3K tomorrow, I know that next week I'll most likely make it back. Whatever, right? I don't care. And you should do that as well. You should detach yourself from the P&L, and you should stop caring about trading. You should ideally just jump on the charts, focus on quality over quantity. So that means quality over quantity means stop trading 30 different pairs. Trade one. Stop trading 10 different strategies you see on YouTube. Trade one. Stop trading all 3 sessions. Trade one, right? Just narrow it down on those things, right? Quality over quantity. I've made a video on this as well, but bro, it's so important. You can't master fucking 30 different pairs in all 3 sessions. You can't do that, bro. Like, it's so hard. Would you rather, I've used this example before, but would you rather, if solving a Rubik's Cube would make you profitable, would you rather, solve the 30 by 30, 20 by 20, 10 by 10, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, every single cube out there? Or if you were just to become profitable, right, the only goal with it would just solve one cube. Would you just rather, focus on all cubes out there, or would you focus on the 2 by 2, which is the easiest? Obviously, you would choose the 2 by 2. It's so self-explanatory, but it's so counterintuitive in trading. And you got to stop caring less. You got to stop, caring about the P&L. You got to stop caring about how many trades you take a week. Just let the market come to you. Pre-plan all your trades, wait for them, and just, let the market come to you, basically, and then take advantage of it, right? So every single day that I show up to the markets, I pre-plan my analysis. I know what I'm looking for, and I just wait for the market to come to me. If it doesn't come to me, if it doesn't do what I pre-planned it, I'm not going to take any trades. I don't care, right? That way, so when you stop caring, you'll, stop over trading because you don't care. You'll stop feeling FOMO, because if price doesn't do what you want it to do, there's no trades. It's not your move. Price can go 1,000 points to the upside, and I was, anticipating buys. I didn't miss out on any profits whatsoever because it wasn't my move. Price didn't, meet my entry criteria. I don't care, right? That's how you gotta treat trading. Remember, more trades doesn't equal more money. And more hours spent on the charts doesn't equal more money. More sessions traded doesn't equal more money. Less sessions traded, less pairs traded, and just locking on that is gonna make you more money. Stop caring about it, right? Stop caring about now. I literally just, go on the charts 9:15 a.m. Eastern, look at the charts for like an hour. I pre-plan my setups before market opens. I execute it if it comes to me. I don't force trades. I don't chase trades. And if it doesn't, I don't care. Okay, it's so weird. But I hope you guys take advantage of it. It's really so weird. But yeah, I mean, I don't know how to explain it. I guess, when you care less, you're gonna stop over trading. You're gonna stop feeling FOMO, and you're gonna stop chasing trades, which is absolutely a must in order to become profitable. So I hope you guys, just a quick video. I hope you guys take advantage of it. I hope, you implement it, because trust me, it'll make you so much money. And if you're currently break even or, slightly a losing trader, unprofitable trader, there's nothing wrong with that. Just stop caring. I know you're obsessed with trading. I know you want it so badly, but you gotta stop caring. You gotta, detach yourself from the P&L. You gotta detach yourself from the profits and losses. It don't matter, right? If I take one trade, no matter what, my rules are one session, one pair, one strategy, and one trade a day. That's it. I don't trade more than once a day. I don't trade more than one session. I don't even look at the charts anymore. I just, pre-plan my analysis, pre-market open. If market comes to me and I get my entry criteria, setup criteria, I execute because I know the probabilities are with me, and that's it. I make money or I lose money. I don't care. So stop caring. That's just a quick video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I mean, I'm out. I hope you guys, enjoy your day, and we'll speak soon.